It's about the nails. It's about the nails. You know how you get your nails done, you can't stop moving your hands, or you just don't want to stop moving your hands because it's like, ow! What's up, y'all? It's your girl Strawberry. Yes, that's straw as in berry. And I am back with another video.
I can be your sunshine. I can be your sunshine. I can be your angel. I can be your angel. I can make you smile for a lifetime, baby. Yeah.
So y'all never really saw me with nails on because like I wear them periodically. You know what I mean? Like sporadically. You know, you hear me trying to use all these big words, silly. So I'm simply just coming here to show y'all how I put on my press-on nails. Yes, it's a quarantine going on. Self-isolation going on. The coronavirus is out here to get us. Quarantine or no quarantine, I'm gonna be a quarantine cutie, period. It's gonna be real quick, simple, easy, something that you can do by yourself. You can grab somebody to help you. It's a good activity to do in the house with your girls. If you have daughters, if you have sisters, even with your mom, just put on some press-on nails. You know what I'm saying? The salon's closed, but that don't mean you can't be cute. That's why I say quarantine cutie. And they come from Walmart. I'm gonna link everything down in the I'm gonna link everything down in this I'm gonna link everything down in the description box below. Let's get straight into this video.
So y'all, I'm gonna start off with my freshly washed fingers and fingernails. I did clip my fingernails all the way down so they won't be broke off or anything. I got this little kit from Dollar Tree, so I'm gonna go ahead and file my fingernails and make sure they're all even. And the filing the fingernail actually helped the glue stick easier and better and longer to your actual fingernail. So the nail pack come with like 30 different nails. You get to pick what style you want, how you want to put them. All the different nails come in different styles. This is the style that I picked. And I'm also going to be using the Kiss glue because Kim Kardashian said use that glue. That's the best glue for your press-on nails. So I'm going to listen to her. Then I'm going to take my cuticle cutter and I'm going to push my cuticles back. I personally am not going to cut off my cuticles because I don't think that's sanitary. I think my cuticles is there for a reason, so I'm going to leave them where they belong. So before I glue my fingernails down, I'm going to make sure that they're perfect. They fit perfect. If not, then I go ahead and file them down a little bit so they can fit my nail bed perfectly. You don't want to put a lot of glue on there because the more glue is not going to help it stick more. It's just going to be a complete total mess and it may not even stick properly. Go ahead and hold it down for like 5 to 10 seconds. Not too much pressure. Just let the glue do its job. So that's what I'm going to do for the rest of my fingernails. I'm going to measure, make sure it's the right size. If not, I'm going to file it down, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply that little baby. The reason why a lot of people nails don't last longer than like a week or 2 weeks is because you have to keep your hands dry for at least 3 hours after you use the Kiss glue. One, so that it can dry thoroughly and properly and you will not mess up that process. That is another essential factor in making your nails last long. I want to say 2 to 3 weeks. Then at the end, after all of my nails are on, I'm going to take my filer and then I'm just going to file across the top of the nail so all my nails is even. And then bam! Y'all see these nails? It look like I just stepped out of the salon, baby. No, I just stepped out of Walmart.
Oh, I told y'all I was gonna be short. I just wanted to show y'all how I am still quarantine cutie, and can't no quarantine stop this shine. You feel me? I do use that glue because that's the glue Kim Kardashian used. I said that in the video, but I'm gonna say it again. So y'all see these nails. Yes, I did this one crooked. So what? Get out my fingers. I'm in quarantine. Bye-bye. You know how you get your nails done? You can't stop moving your hands, or you just don't want to stop moving your hands because it's like ow! Ow! Yes! I just wanted to stop in, drop in, let y'all know I'm okay. I don't have the corona. I hope y'all don't either. I just want y'all to be safe, be cautious. Don't be out there touching people. Don't be out there touching people's faces. It's just a real crisis out here in America and, well, all over the world. Praying for everybody. I'm praying for y'all. And I just wanted to make this little video. Yeah, I don't really have too much to say. I just wanted to show y'all how my fingers stay popping. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that is essential. Like I said before, what would Jesus do? Jesus would subscribe to my channel. Period. Like, period. Don't forget to drop a comment and just stay tuned. Turn that bell notification on. You won't know when I'm coming with another video. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, blended with joy and happiness and family and love and all of that good stuff. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, berries.